Yo, what up guys? This week's product review is going to be Suma Ceramic Spray. Directions are easy peasy guys. Wash and dry your car first, spray it on, rub it in with a microfiber cloth. You can buy this stuff online. As always, I'll attach a link. And with any ceramic spray, always wash and dry, always wash and dry. Let's see how well it works. Ceramic spray does a real good job of sealing things in. So if you got some dirt or dust, it's going to seal that in. Make sure you clean it well. Let's see if we can see a difference after we apply this. We'll do a little before, after, and I'll use it on a couple vehicles in the future, give you some updates. Here's our door. I'm going to apply it to the quarter panel. She's got a little sheen to her, a little shine now. Ceramic sprays are great for protecting that paint and increasing the longevity of your paint job, especially here in the Rust Belt, where that paint takes a beating and you end up looking like this bad boy over here. We got some rust eating through, and we got some paint chipping right there on the hood. Side note, for something that doesn't really matter, this spray bottle is really easy to use. It's not like one of those crappy ones. Why use a ceramic coating on your vehicle? Let's ask Google. There it is. Long-lasting protection, bird droppings, road grime from reaching and harming the paint. So if you got a nice vehicle, it might come in clutch for you. My rust buckets, I don't care.